Introduction. Power up your productivity with simple scripts.
Feeling overwhelmed by repetitive digital tasks? With just a few basic scripts, anyone, even without programming experience, can automate routines and save valuable time. Let's explore 5 straightforward script ideas designed to streamline your daily workflow and help you focus on what matters most.
Automate file organization.
Constantly hunting for downloaded files? Try a script that automatically moves files from your Downloads folder into neatly organized subfolders by file type or date. This keeps your workspace clutter-free and makes it much easier to find what you need without manual sorting.
Batch rename files for consistency.
Struggling with confusing file names? A simple batch renaming script can quickly update multiple files with meaningful names or sequential numbers. This is incredibly handy for organizing photos, documents, or any collection of files, ensuring clarity and easy searching.
Quickly back up important documents.
Worried about losing important files? Set up a script that automatically copies designated folders or files to another location, like a USB drive or cloud folder. Scheduling this script ensures your vital data is safely backed up without having to remember each time.
Bulk convert files between formats.
Need to convert many files, like images or documents, at once? Save hours by using a script that batch converts file formats. For example, turning multiple images from PNG to JPG. This simple automation is perfect for preparing files for specific software or sharing.
Auto-clean temporary files and free up space.
Running low on drive space? An auto-clean script can regularly remove temporary or unused files, such as old downloads or cache folders. This keeps your device running smoothly, improves performance, and frees up valuable storage without any manual effort.
Getting started, no coding experience needed.
Many of these scripts can be found pre-written online or created with easy-to-use automation tools. Resources like Windows PowerShell, Mac Automator, or web platforms offer simple ways to customize and run scripts, helping you reclaim your time and boost digital productivity.